हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज़ अनिल सर फ्रॉम इंग्लिश ट्रेनिंग सेंटर। आज इस वीडियो में हम आपको अपने दो विद्यार्थी से मिलाने जा रहे हैं और हम लोग मिलकर एक विषय पे डिस्कस करेंगे और वो विषय होगा विलेज वर्सेस टाउन। टाउन बेहतर है या विलेज बेहतर है, इसी टॉपिक पे हम लोग डिस्कस करेंगे। सबसे पहले हम आप लोगों को परिचय करवा दें।
This is Satyam Kumar. I have just passed my intermediate examination this year.
I am Aniket Raj. I am 12 years old and I study in class 6.
So we have a topic. The topic is village versus town. We will discuss this topic. Both the students will give their own opinions on the topic. So let's start. Satyam, you know very well about villages and also you know very well about towns. According to you, which is better, village or town?
Sir, according to me, I think city life is much better than village life.
How can you say that city life is better than village life?
Sir, we all know that this is the era of science and technology, and if you want to become an IITian, if you want to become a doctor, if you want to become an IAS officer, we have to get higher education. If you don't get higher education, we are not able to crack that examination, and that is why we have to move towards towns. We all know that this is the era of science and technology, and due to this science and technology, sometimes this become our disadvantage, because due to the time of COVID-19 pandemic, we all know that what is the situation of health sector in India. That is why I think the kind of health facilities which we get in a city life, we never get that kind of facility in a village life. The another one is,
Aniket, what do you think? Which is better, village or town?
In my opinion, village is better because in village we get fresh air and we get pure milk, we get natural sources in village, but not in town. And in village there is a less air pollution, less noise pollution, but in town there is a lot of air pollution and noise pollution, and in village there is a brotherhood, but there is no brotherhood in town. So I think village is better than the town.
sir, I think the kind of transport facilities which we have in a city, we never have that facility in a village, because we all know that in this age people want to save their time, people want to save their money, and due to that transport facility, people also can save their time. Not only they save their time, but also they save their fuel, they save their money.
Aniket is saying that village is better because villages have most of natural things. We get fresh air, we get fresh food item, we get pure milk in villages. We cannot get these things in towns.
Yes, sir.
Aniket is saying,
Yes.
he is saying that we get brotherhood in villages, we get peace in villages, there is less pollution in villages. That's why village is better than town. Aniket is saying, what do you think about it?
Sir, I think Aniket is right, but we all know that in this age people the requirement of this age is higher education. In villages we get peaceful life. In villages we get brotherhood, But what will we do with that brotherhood, with that peaceful life, if you don't get higher education? Because if you don't get higher education in this age, we are not able to crack any examination. If you want to crack that examination, if you want to crack UPSC, if you want to crack NEET, if you want to crack IIT GMAINS, we have to move towards towns. And if you don't move towards towns, we don't able to crack that examination, because the kind of education which we got in a city, we never get that education in a village. So what will we do with that brotherhood, with that peaceful life, if you don't have money? And if you want to earn money, we get a job in this age.
What do you think, Aniket?
Satyam, I said that is right, but what will we do that jobs if our health is not good, if we are not be happy? Village is better because our ancestors like to live in village, because in village we are be happy and our health is also good. Satyam, I said that we get jobs. If our health is not good, what will we do with their jobs? So I think village is better.
So everyone, here I want to interrupt. Satyam is saying towns are better than villages. Aniket is saying village is better than towns. Both are giving their own opinion. I think village is better than town. We do everything for our happiness. We do everything for our happiness. Why do we get education? Why do we earn money? We get education, we earn money for our happiness. By living in towns, we cannot be happy. You know, our ancestors were happy with their small villages. Why were they happy with their small villages? They were happy because they don't run behind glamour. They don't run behind glamour. They were satisfied with their small villages. They used their hands and feet. By doing it, they were happy, they were healthy. So I think that village is better than town. That's all. In next video, once again, we will discuss a topic. Thank you.